Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage online surveys with SurveyMonkey, full guide step by step clearly. To manage online surveys effectively using SurveyMonkey, begin by creating an account on their website. Once you've registered, log in to your SurveyMonkey account. On the dashboard, locate the Create Survey button and click on it. You will have the option to start from scratch or use a template. Choose the method that best fits your needs. If starting from scratch, select your survey title and add a brief description. Next, select the type of questions you want to include. SurveyMonkey offers various question types, including multiple choice, text entry, and rating scales. Add your first question by clicking on the question type you wish to use. Fill in the question text and any necessary answer choices. Once your question is complete, click Add Question to continue building your survey. Repeat this process until you have included all desired questions. After adding questions, review your survey for clarity and flow. Consider using features such as logic jumps to customize the survey experience for respondents. Once satisfied, click on the Design Survey button to choose a theme and layout. Select a design that aligns with your brand or the survey's purpose. Preview your survey to ensure it looks as intended and functions correctly. After finalizing the design, click on Collect Responses to choose how you want to distribute your survey. SurveyMonkey offers options like email, social media, or a direct link. Select the collection method and follow the prompts to set it up. Once activated, monitor responses through your dashboard. SurveyMonkey provides tools to analyze responses, including charts and data exports. Regularly check the response rate and consider sending reminders if necessary. When you have gathered sufficient data, go to the Analyze Results section. Examine the results using the available features to gain insights. You can filter data based on respondent demographics or answers. Lastly, export your results for report generation if needed. Your comprehensive survey management using SurveyMonkey is now complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.